Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Pretty good day today. Essentially, um, great trade early in the morning as well as throughout the day within this range that we were in, right? And I told you guys we would really, unless we had like strong selling, right, we would kind of like chop, wait for the moving averages to really come down. And that's what today was. If you watch yesterday's video, I guess I warned you guys, right? So we kind of, or we just, the market didn't want to go, we just wanted to stay in this range, and really, uh, tomorrow, either tomorrow or Thursday, Thursday we'll get a definitive path, right? As 5 day comes down, right? And actually goes below 50-day, right? So something to pay attention to tomorrow and even Thursday, right? So I'm gonna show you the trades like intraday as well, but I'll show you the first trade, right, which was um, this trade at essentially. Oh my God, 1 second. So this trade at 9:48, right? Pretty early, but we found this pretty good structure. Left shoulder head, beautiful right shoulder, and you can see the volume right here. So um, volume spikes, right? So pretty good entry signal to entry, right, and all the way down. And you would really take this trade based off of the 30 minute, right? Because you notice that we are this structure, right, and then left shoulder head, right shoulder off of here, all the way down. And all you have to be careful know is like the support, which was at this 557 level, right? So all you have to do was basically protect right here, and also based on the 5 minute, right, I had a clear support right here at 658. So really took some profits right there, as well as the 567, 557, 657 level, right? So then we just kind of traded within this orange controlled buying right here and in this range, right? And then later in the day we did break out, right? So this was a good last trade, but I was able to find pretty good trades from essentially right here, right? Um, and then also the trade up, right? Left shoulder head, right shoulder off of here, all the way up, right? So this was, so basically three trades, right? And you could really call it a day unless you were also waiting for this move later in the day, right? But let me show you the rest of the trades, right? So essentially also you could have taken you notice that liquidity rate, left shoulder head, beautiful right shoulder right here, and this right shoulder you had this orange algo, right? So left shoulder head, right shoulder right here, and the microstructure right here. So this is a pretty good scalp, right? But then you notice that we have no continuation because volume is pretty key right here. You notice uh, pretty much the volume decreased, right? As well as we're basically tapering at the bottom right here, right? And you can see over here as well the volume just decreased all the way down, right? So we didn't have enough selling right there, so you really have to protect aggressively right there. And then now I'm going to tell you guys about the trade up, right? So all you have to do, left shoulder head, right shoulder off of blue right here, left shoulder head, right shoulder right here, and then take this beautiful trade up, right? So that's literally all the trades that I did take today, and that's all that was needed. And you could have also, if you wanted to, take the third other trade right here, right? Same structure right here, left shoulder head, beautiful. Right shoulder, we didn't get a proper right shoulder off of blue, but we did get it off of the pink right here. So right shoulder bounce off of here, and then this we could also take it off of blue right here, and then you can see that there was no continuation after that, right? So pretty good trades today. One, this scalp, this trade, basically three major trades you could have taken, right? Um, Oh, and then I also want to point out right here that you saw the lack of volume. Same thing right here, right? Same thing happened right here, where we had essentially the break of structure right shoulder off of here, which is another good entry. I'm not gonna lie, this is another good scalp entry. But then do the same thing right here, right? So once we get out the support, the selling volume drops. You can see the tapering right here, and then the buying volume starts to ramp up. And really, you do have to take profits right there pretty aggressively, because you're just gonna get pretty much probably a good reversal right there. Because all of this, you just have to realize that we were trading in this range, right? The market didn't want to go up or down, and we were essentially just waiting for the 5 day to catch up, right? So today was like really a catch up day. So that's what you have to pay attention to. And I'm gonna show you guys what to look out for from here, right? So again, to see any continuation down, right, we need to close this inverse cup right here, take the right shoulder off of teal right here, and then target this level 651, 652 level right here. And you could really just go by the 30-minute as well. This is a pretty good level right here, right? 652 level right here. So you do have to wait for pretty good structure to take the short, right? But today, all you have to notice that we were just trading within right here, right? So, and knowing the context of the 5 day trying to catch up, right? And the lack of selling, right? Which happened right here, right? So you just have to be paying attention to the two scenarios and realize that we didn't have enough pressure to just keep going down. And if we needed to see a more confirmation, we would have waited till the break. Or if you wanted to be safer, we would have for the break and then take it off the teal right here, right? So pretty much that's pretty simple. But yeah, you definitely need to wait for the inverse cup to close, and then right shoulder handle off of here, right? And then keep going down, right? But what if we are headed up, right? What if we start, start tapering, right? But we need to see better signal of that, right? So we need to see actually, so we need to see the reclamation of some levels such as this, right? So we need to first get out of this selling, right? And left shoulder head right here, and then right shoulder off of here, and right shoulder off of purple. And that's what we need to see, and reclaiming the moving averages, right? So that can be another scenario, but we need to wait and be patient for either tomorrow or Thursday. So just look out for that. And that's what we have going on. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm not feeling the best, so sorry if my explanations are off. It is probably off actually a little. I'm like very my head's kind of hurting, but yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye bye.